Okay, welcome guys. So I noticed that your team you are using for the project has a sample data for the revolution slider that we are going to use for our project. And so after going through the team files, I decided to add these videos of how to import the demo data slider into the website, and then I also added a video of how to edit it when it arrives into your website panel. That is the slider panel where you do the editing. And so these two videos combined together will help you to be able to get your slider fixed perfectly on your website. As at now, your website does not have a slider, and the website is asking you to insert a slider. And so these are the procedures you follow to be able to get your slider fixed. Okay, so first of all, you take your time and then watch the video and go through the steps that implemented in a video, and you should be able to add your demo slider into your website. Okay, so when you get to your files, your website theme files, and then you open the theme files, you notice that we have folders like documentation, licensing, sample data, slider, sample, theme, updated, and then the rest are 2 files that you can find in there. Okay, so what I'm talking about is the slider sample. And the slider sample, when you go in there, you find a lot of sliders available for you. So all you have to do is when you open your slider plugin from your team's admin, when you open it, you search for the file, you go to import, and then you search for the slider sample files you want to use. Like I'm saying, there are a lot of them over there. Once you get there, you pick which one that suits the project you are doing. So if your project is about fashion, you can pick houseware slider 1. If your project is about books, you can pick book slider 1 or 2 or 3, any of them. If your web project is about digital products such as electronics, computer, or any other, you can pick from slider 1 to slider 4. If you have any other question, you can comment below, or you can comment in a group, and I'll give you feedback on that. So first, you go to resolution slider from the admin panel, and then when it opens, you find the import option there. Okay, now you notice that you can import or you can create a new one, and because we are going to upload an existing one, you need to click on the import slider. So you have to choose the file from the choose file option, and then you look for the folder that has your theme, and then you select your sample data from. Okay, so make sure you look for your files that has the sample data you are looking for, and then once you pick it, you can import it. So you click on import, and it will automatically import your slider sample or slider data into your website. Okay, now when this is done, all you have to do is either check from your website if the slider you have imported is what is on the website. Okay, so you have to find out from the website if that is what is showing on the website. If that is what is showing on the website, then you are good to go. Then all you have to do is to refresh the page. You can see in this demo that I'm showing you, it says that the slider that is missing is called print slider, and that is why after importing the print demo, automatically when you refresh it, it works. So let's say if you check and your slider has book slider, and you want to use that slider. Once you import that slider, automatically it will be able to pick up. You remember in class we noticed that the slider we used for our practice was slider 1, and that slider 1 was the slider we needed to fix the website. And so once you were able to import the slider 1, it should automatically pick up. If it doesn't pick up, you go to the main website, and then you change the slider name there to the slider that you have imported. Okay, it's very simple. So you do that, and then once you do that, and you save, you update the website, automatically you refresh, and everything will come back to the slider will be activated. Then you should be able to use it. Okay, now when you want to edit, maybe change the background of the slider. Okay, these are some of the processes that you follow to be able to do that. Okay, so you go and then you click on that particular slider you want to edit, or you want to change the background, or you want to add anything to. Okay, so when you get there, you can add the new slider that you want to add to it, or you can edit it the same way. And in class I taught you how to upload a new image to the slider background. Okay, so you can, and I also ask you to, the best option is to duplicate the slider, the first one, and then change the background that you want to use for it. Okay, so in this video you can see that we created a new slider, and then we added the picture, the background picture that he wants to use. Okay, and then he saved it, and after saving, he refreshed the page, and everything was perfect. So go through this and let me know. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment section, or you can send me a WhatsApp message, and I'll get back to you.